light foaming for those of you that have acne, that have bad acne. So this is ideal for you to use, and add in the essential oil. Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mabel, and welcome to the day 2 of our DIY. If you haven't subscribed, trust me, you're missing. You need to click that notification bell and also click the subscribe button so that you can be notified each time I upload new video. And yeah, let's go into it. What I need is I need my cocoa glucoside. I also need my humectant, which is the glycerin, and my equipment. I'm going to be using the infused water from calendula flower, which is also known as the marigold. So you can use any water of your choice, rose water, you can use lavender hydrosome. So yeah, let's go into it. This is just a simple basic facial cream cleanser I'm making. So for those of you that want to train with me, you need to send me a WhatsApp message, and I'm going to be announcing when to start this class. Not now because I'm extremely busy, so sorry for those of you that have been sending me message on WhatsApp about this training. Sorry. And I'm going to be using this pH strip. This is good, ideal for not that I make mistakes sometimes. If I'm lazy, if I've already taken, I know the pH, I've already taken it, so I don't want to go upstairs or just bother myself. Normally use this because some of you have seen me using this, but this is not good for you to take it's not good for you to use to take your pH, the pH of your cream or serum or any other product. This is ideal for you to use to take the pH of your cream. If you're making lotion and so on, this is ideal to use when you want to take surfactant like soap, the pH of soap and so on. Okay, yeah, that's the difference. And we have the other one which is good for both. Okay, yeah, let's go into it. So I'm gonna measure out. I'm making a 30 grams of this facial cream cleanser, so I'm gonna measure out. Make sure your work area are well sanitized, your equipment are clean. So I'm gonna measure out this. So I've measured out 71.5% of this infused calendula flower. So the next one is for me to add my this is the way Olivum 1000. I'm going to leave the name on the screen. So I'm going to put don't mind the way my stuff is. I've been using it to make a product. We need two phases in this facial cream cleanser. We need the water phase and the cool down stage, which is the coolant stage phase. And yeah, I'm gonna put this in the double boiler for it to melt, for the Olivum 1000 to melt. Then I'll stir it as the Olivum 1000 is the only emulsifying wax you can use when you want to make this formulation, because it's the only wax that can dissolve in water and bind this whole stuff component that you want to do. Okay, this formulation that we want to make is the only thing, so you can't use any other wax apart from the Olivum 1000. Okay, so I'm going to mix the Zamtangon mixed with the glycerin into it. Yeah, so after adding it, you can see it's thick now. I'm making a very small batch, that's why, because I have the ones I've done, so I'm just showing you how to make a simple and very effective face cream cleanser. So the next stage is for us to, now the temperature has reduced. I checked the temperature, which has reduced up to 40 degrees Celsius. You can start adding your coolant stage, which is involve cocoa glucoside. I'm going to be adding my cocoa glucoside. So I need to measure out you add it gradually, as in gently. I need 10% of the cocoa glucoside, and once you start adding surfactant, you can see is thick. It's become watery. A little bit, yeah. So I'll mix it. Cocoa glucoside surfactant is very safe. Plant extract, very safe on the skin. Okay, see. So you mix gently. If you're making a bigger batch, you pour it a little bit. Measure how the cocoa glucoside, not pour it the way I did because this is a small batch. So what you need to do is just measure out in another clean beaker, and you start adding it gradually while you whisk gently, because the quicker you whisk, the product will turn foamy, so we don't want that. So I'm gonna add my preservative. I'm gonna add my essential oil. One of the essential oil I love using, for those of you that are acne prone skin, try and get this essential oil. Pain is amazing. It's very good for acne, and it's also good for oily combination. Amazing. You can add it into it. I'm gonna use the fragrant. Wow, it smells amazing. I love this. So what I need to do now is whisk. We use it, but you use the low temperature. Just whisk a little bit. So here we have our cream facial cleanser. So I'm gonna pour it in there and come back. And this is our amazing facial cream cleanser. I'm gonna show you a sample how it looks. It's not that foamy. It's amazing. It help penetrate deep into your pores to clear out any dirt, any oil that you've got. Help to glow your skin and give your skin that radiant, smooth, soft texture, which I love. I love using this when I don't wear heavy makeup, when I don't have heavy makeup on. So it's amazing. Make sure you carry out your pH modifier. Ensure it falls within, the pH falls within 5.5. So you can increase it with your pH modifier or decrease it with your pH modifier. The pH initially when I had was up, so I had to lower it by adding an acid into it. So you can add your citric acid to lower the pH, okay, up to 5.5. It depends on what you want to use, okay. You can make it 4.8, 4.5, and it depends on what you want. So but it shouldn't be more than the pH of the skin, okay. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and let me show you how it looks. Let me show you how it looks. So I'm gonna put this in water. See, I love this facial cleanser. You see, I love this facial cleanser. It's amazing. It's light foaming. For those of you that have acne, that have bad acne. So this is ideal for you to use, and add in the essential oil, a pine essential oil. It will help a lot with your acne. Then if you want to make the advanced formulation, there are things and stuff you need to add. This is just the basic one. So thank you. I have to end this video here. Bye.